Before I get started on the video, I wanted to show you real quick my Kia and just the type and body style. So I'm doing it on a 2013. However, it's the same model type as between 2011 and 2015. Other than that, I will show you on a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. On this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the spark plugs on a 2.4 liter 2013 Kia Optima. So this one I just need to change the spark plug. So all 4 of them are right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually pretty easy to remove these. So I'll show you how to do one and then we'll kind of go from there. So we'll start on this side. So there's going to be this gray tab right here. So if we can pull this gray part up, and then this clip, there's a black thing right here. So this is the clip right here. So you pull that and slide this out. After that, you'll need a 10mm socket, and then you can loosen this bolt. Mine was pretty loose there, so I'm just going to grab just the socket and hand undo this. Just make sure you hold on to your bolt, and then after you want to pull your coil pack out. Pull this out, leave it off to the side. Now this next step, you're going to want to be able to take out that spark plug that's down in that hole. So to do so, you need a 5/8 spark plug socket, just an extender. So you slide that down in, and let's break it. So I need both hands for that. This then can do this, and then once it gets pretty loose, do the same thing. I'm going to just take it and undo it by hand. Have it come out. Once it starts loosening up, it should just pull up like this, and then you can take it out and inspect it from there. This one is definitely old and needs to be replaced. So now that I have the new spark plug put into the socket, you can just lower that down, and I typically like to start by hand just to make sure that I thread the spark plug the right way. It has a long way to go, so I go right here until it gets a little bit tight, and after that then we can grab the wrench out and make sure it's all snug in there. So starting to feel some resistance now. Okay, bring this back out. Now you shouldn't need to do a whole lot as it's already in there pretty good, so I did about a half turn and it should be good. Once that's all finished, it's pretty easy to go back from here. Plug your coil pack back in, get your bolt, this in by hand. Then you grab your 10mm socket. Just make sure that's all tightened and snug. And then go ahead and put the connector back in. Push the gray piece down, and now that's all snug. Nice part is it's pretty easy and simple. So that was one, and then you just repeat it with the remaining 3. Thanks for watching.